Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of TeaN'BizzKits. My name is Bizzle, and if you haven't already, you need to hit that subscribe button below. This week, we're doing a 360 walk around of KitFest and Fast Show at Santapod. So get your VR goggles on, get your fingers on that screen, and have a look around. Take a peek, see what you can see if you can spot your car if you are there. If you're an international viewer or you've never been to Santapod before, then this is it. This is how we do stuff in the UK. This is how it happens at Santapod. This is the first major show of the year in the UK. Beautiful weather and a seriously big turnout. Remember, this is a 360 video. Have a pan around, zoom in, zoom out, see what you can see, enjoy it and soak it up. Here at TeaN'BizzKits, we're trying new methods of getting motorsport car and the passion for what we do across to you. This 360 is a new method, a new media for us, and we're trialling this. So please hit the comments, tell us what you think. I want to know, are you enjoying this? Are you not enjoying it? Do you want more raw footage with just the sound and no music? Completely unedited? If you're looking at this on your phone, on your TV, on your 3D goggles, talk to me. Let me know what you think, because we can do more of these. UK based, international, all different disciplines of motorsport. This is something we're trialling, and it might just work. as you're sitting back with a tea and a biscuit, please remember to subscribe and take a moment to have a look around and see in this glorious 360 4K immersive world. So as this episode draws to a close, I would just like to take a moment to remind you to like, share and subscribe, because my name's Bizzle, this is TeaN'BizzKits, where we kick tyres and sniff petrol.